In this short video, we'll show you how to convert ADP's low-profile F-Series air handler from left-hand to right-hand airflow. F-Series are factory configured for upflow or left-hand horizontal airflow. If your application calls for right-hand, then we'll need to make a few modifications. Retain all screws and hardware removed during the conversion process, as we'll be reusing them when we reassemble. First, remove and set aside all front panels. Then remove the coil support bracket located on the front of the drain pan. And finally, remove the cabinet brace. The cabinet may shift to one side with the brace removed. That's normal and it will not affect performance. Slide the coil assembly and drain pans out of the cabinet. This should all slide out in one assembly. Now this step can be a little difficult, so you might want to get an extra pair of hands to help you get the coil completely out. All right, now that we have the coil assembly out of the cabinet, we're going to convert it to right hand. So very simply, we're going to remove the drain pan, turn it around, and put it on the other side. Tech tip here, you see that we've shimmed up the bottom of the drain pan to allow the side drain pan to easily slide off. Another tip, when we put this drain pan on, it's going to rotate around and these plugs are going to be in the back of the unit. So before we do that, let's just make sure that the plugs are in and they're tight. So we'll just put it in, screwdriver, nice check, hand tight to make sure that those plugs are in place. Now, we'll slide the pan around and slip it on the other side. And now the coil is converted and we're ready to put it back in the unit. Okay, now that we have the coil converted, the next step is to slide it back into the case. Again, this step can get a little cumbersome, so if you need to, get you some help. Okay, now that the coil is back in place, let's reinstall the support bracket, the cabinet brace, and all front panels. Now we'll reassemble the left side connection plate, the right side access panel, and then the filter access panel. Next, reinstall the refrigerant line grommets. Last step, reassemble the blower panel. Okay, that's it for today's video, and I hope that answered all of your questions. But if you need more information, remember to visit our website at www.adpnow.com, or you can contact our tech support at adp.techsupport@adpnow.com, and you can reach out to us on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on ADP Tech Tips.